Just want to point out one other metric here for Coke, which is organic revenue growth, really important for consumer staples. Much stronger than expected, up 5%. The estimates were around 2.7%. And this is the outperformance that investors really like from Coca-Cola and its new CEO, James Quincey, right now. It's why the stock has outperformed, up almost 20% over the last 12 months, way outperforming some of the other staples. Now, the weak spot in this report is actually the guidance. The earnings outlook, 208. The street was looking for 223. So I just talked to James Quincey, the CEO, got a little color on that. He said our biggest headwind looking out right now is currency. The dollar has moved against them. Strong dollar really started to make an impact on earnings this quarter and will continue to do so if we stay at these levels. Quincey also told me, generally, we expect less growth in 2019 than 2018 because of macro. He said the dynamic looks a little more dynamic right now. If you look at the global economy, they're seeing particular weakness there in Argentina, for instance. He did say that Diet Coke, I know, Joe, that you'd be interested in this, did very well again in the quarter.
Diet or zero.
I mean, they've revitalized Diet Coke. It pretty much had a flat year after shrinking for the last several years, thanks in part to the new flavors. And they're rolling out a few others this year, including blueberry acai.
Ugh. Oh, sorry.
They've also, by the way, put in a new flavor for brand Coke for the first time in 10 years. Do you see this? The sort of vanilla orange flavor. It's supposed to bring you back to the dreamsicle. I don't know. People of a certain age.
Okay.
But
or like a vanilla cow. Remember that was, well, there was root beer, but people used Coke too with ice cream. Right. Yeah, I forget what. Yeah.
Anyway, they're trying to compete against LaCroix and all these sparkling water flavors, which are growing so fast, and bring a little more excitement to brand Coca-Cola, Diet Coca-Cola. The other theme, I would say, of the quarter, just to point out, is that pricing went up. They're raising prices like a lot of other consumer companies to pass on higher cost, whether it's in freight or materials. And so that was a big story as to why pricing was strong this quarter, but volumes were a little bit weaker, especially in North America.
But in terms of this decline of 1.6%, it's the outlook, it's the currency headwind. They said 6 to 7% headwind.
Yeah, that's a big headwind
to operating income in 2019.
Correct.
Yeah.
That's pretty much what it is. And volume was a little light, but that was because of the pricing. Also, it's been an outperformer.